we have 3.5 times 27. So we can set this out as a column multiplication. But we need to remember that if there's one decimal place in the question, there will be one decimal place in the answer. So we can copy down our decimal point. Now we multiply in the same way as if we had 35 times 27. So 5 times 7 is 35, that's 5. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 3 is 24. Now we can cross out our working and write a 0 as the last digit of our second answer line. 5 times 2 is 10, so 1 0. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So now we can add up our answer lines, and that gives us 94.5 as our answer. Now we have 4.7 times 50. Again, we need to remember to copy the decimal point down into our answer. 7 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0. Now we need a 0 as the last digit of our second answer line. 7 times 5 is 35, so 5. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23. So that gives us 235.0 as our answer. But because we have 0.0 on the end, we know that we have a whole number. So we can write our answer as 235. Now we have 3.12 times 43. And we're writing this out with the 3.12 on top because that number has the most digits. So here, it's not the larger number that we're writing on top, but the number that has the most digits. Now we have 2 decimal places in our question, so we will need 2 decimal places in our answer. So let's copy the decimal point down into our answer. Now we can multiply in the same way as if we had 312 times 43. 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. We need a 0 in our second answer line, and now 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 4 is 4, and 3 times 4 is 12. Now 6 plus 0 is 6, 3 plus 8 is 11, so 1. 1 plus 9 plus 4 is 14, so 4. 1 plus 2 is 3, and nothing plus 1 is 1. So our answer is 134.16. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.